Here I've got Huawei MediaPad T5 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select System. Here you should find Backup and Restore, and now you will notice Backup My Data by Google Backup. Now you can simply enable this feature by tapping on the switcher. Now let me go back, and it's time to create the backup account. So simply click on Backup Account. Wait a couple of seconds until your device will check all the information. And just log in with your Gmail. If you do not have your Gmail account, you can create a new one over here. But I do have, so let me enter it. HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com and click on Next. And now just go with your password here. If you would like to see what you are typing, click on the eye icon here, so you will be able to see all the typed letters. So give me just a sec to enter mine off the screen. Once the password is entered, click on Next. And now just come along with all Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. So click on the links, then tap on some particular one, and you will be able to come along with all the document. Once you agree with all the terms, click on I agree. And that would be almost all. As you can see, backup and storage feature is active. Click on Accept. And from now on, your Google Backup will include apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also messages. So as you can see, your data is safe now. You do not have to be worried about it, as it will be backed by Google. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.